you can see that the phone is under the fast boot environment, and I had loaded the TWRP recovery, so which is about 15 seconds, and the phone enters the fast boot menu. In many cases, that once the TWRP is up and running, the data partition is encrypted. So most of the time, we need to enter a password to decrypt the partition. But in this case, I didn't do any custom encryption in the Flyme environment, so there is no need in theory to enter any password for the data partition. To demonstrate, I would like to show the list of available partitions, such as cache, data, system vendor, firmware, etc. If in the case the data partition is encrypted, the mount page, the data partition would not appear. So it would be eventually disappear if the data partition is encrypted. So once the data partition is while sitting there, then it means the data partition is okay. There's no problem to use. So you can see that the data partition is already mounted. Beforehand, I had downloaded some ROM into the data partition, which is mounted in the SD card folder. I uploaded some of the Lineage OS system partition, vendor partition, something like that. So it is right there. All other files are generated by the Flyme OS, so we just leave it alone, no problem. So this is the proof of the TWRP, which is able to read the data partition. I would like to draw anybody's attention about this. So here is the TWRP, but it is not a build from ground, build from scratch TWRP. Actually, I prepared this TWRP from the TWRP.me website. I downloaded a similar model from Xiaomi, which is Redmi 5 Note. The model name is Red. So it is clearly that the RAM disk is from the Red without any changes. I combined my kernel, my DTB, and with the downloaded RAM drive, RAM disk, and combined it into a IMG file, the image file, that which can be processed by the fast boot program. So you can see the result. Everything had been sit there already. Okay, it is ready to use. Yes, for people who lacked a working TWRP, you can have a try for this one. Thank you.